is declared. We are saying enough is the people's will, the wishes of the people must prevail this time. Amen. Ladies and gentlemen, we are aware that INEC suspended Obingwa and said they are going to review the result of Obingwa. We are totally, completely in support of it.
But we, as the youth of this land, who understand that this is our time, that this is our season, and this is our generation that is, that is being played with at this point, have taken that pain to extract this exact figure. Because in Abia, we want nothing but truth, justice, and fairness to prevail.
The delay in declaring the true winner of the election is causing unnecessary tension in the state, and this tension could snowball into serious crisis and breakdown of law and order.
States.